but also my first.
Sinusundan ko every time I work out. Guys, this is what's in my bag. Okay. Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of UNI vlog. This time, I will be showing you guys my full Notion tour. In my recent UNI vlog, na-share ko doon yung schedule ko for the upcoming term, but hindi ko fully na-explain kung paano ko ginawa yung Notion ko, like saan ko nakuha yung templates, saan galing yung widgets. So if ever this is your first time using Notion, I think this is the perfect video for you. So yeah, super dami nag-request sa inyo guys na gumawa talaga ako ng in-depth tutorial. So here you go. By the way, I'll be using my laptop to organize everything, but you can also access Notion on your phone, iPad. But I'm using my laptop today para lang it's easier to type. So initially, this was my Notion page. Ayan. Ito yung pinakita ko last vlog. Here, you can input your class schedule. So, for example, yung class nyo nagsistart at 7:30 and then mag-end siya kunwari hanggang 9. And then your subject is social marketing. And the reason why I added here a Zoom link so that you can turn it to a hyperlink. So, for us, pinoprovide na nung prof namin yung link every meeting. So, I can just paste it here and link to webpage. So, kunwari may class na kayo and all, you can just click it and it will take you directly to the Zoom link or the app. And the reason why nilagay ko talaga siya sa unahan or the first page, para once I open Notion, it's all in here. I don't need to go through different platforms pa. So for me, ito yung naging itsura ng aking weekly schedule. Also, you can customize itong mga icons dito. And for the covers, of course, pwede nyo yan palitan. They have different options here, or you can upload a picture if you want. And then here, ito yung nabago from my last template. So instead of having 2 columns, ginawa ko siyang 4. And per week basis ko na siya ginawa. Mas naging effective siya for me. And para mas naging malinis siya tingnan for me. If you're creating this from scratch, isang button lang actually kailangan yung malaman para mag-add ng anything here. And it's the slash button. So just click slash and lalabas na lahat ng basic blocks. So it could be your text, a page, a to-do list. For example, wala pa yan. I can just click slash. And then lalabas na yung to-do list. And then I copy-pasted everything na lang. And then once you go here, ayan, medyo marami na nangyayari here. Pero huwag kayong ma-intimidate or anything kasi super dali lang nito ilagay. So I'll start here. So this is called a widget. So let me show you guys how I was able to add one. So I use this website and this is also free, by the way, like Notion. Here, I can customize my digital clock. So kung anong gusto kong color, if I want it black or white. And the most important thing dito is you copy yung mismong link. Yun yung ipipaste natin here. And then click embed. Tada! Okay, wait. I have to move this here. Ayan ang ating widget. And same din sa mga pictures, sa Spotify playlist na nakikita nyo here. Paste lang talaga. Ipipaste nyo lang sila sa page. Okay, so another example. Andito ako sa Pinterest page ko right now. Just copy the link. Click embed. And ta-da! So actually cute din if you guys get the pin link kasi nagkakaroon siya ng parang round corners. Adjust ko lang ito dito. Yan! Oh my gosh, that looks good. Also, I have a calendar view just to check ano yung mga future plans. Diba dito 1 week lang. So, I made sure to add a calendar view here. If you're creating this from scratch, just click the slash button. Harapin nyo lang dito guys yung calendar. There. And then, ayan, meron na kayong sarili yung calendar. Okay, now let me show you guys yung favorite part ko guys sa Notion page ko, which is my workout tracker. So, nilagay ko siya dito para isang click na lang. So, if you click this, it will lead you to my workout page. I use this to track my progress. And dito ako nagbe-base ng workouts ko. Don't worry kasi I will leave all of my template links sa description box para you guys can duplicate it na lang. But a quick tour lang. So, I have here a table and it shows yung mga araw na nag-workout ako and it's so fulfilling guys every time I check yung mga boxes dito kasi parang it's an accomplishment. I'm not always motivated to work out, especially in the morning. So having this platform really holds me accountable. And nag-add din ako guys ng additional table here sa side. So for Monday, it's a rest day for me kasi I have classes guys the whole day. For Tuesday, back day. It's up to you guys literally. Like you can customize this. For example, yoga lang kayo for that day. ayan, papalitan nyo na lang here. Para lang maalala ko kasi nga, you know, everyday iba-iba. And lastly, we have itong mga YouTube videos na sinusundan ko every time I work out. I will be adding more here kasi for some days talaga, nagsusearch lang ako ng kung ano-ano. These are my favorite workout videos. So I have yoga stretch, express pilates, for abs, for arms. Just like what I said kanina, that's what I like about Notion. I can just put everything. I don't have to search pa on YouTube kung anong klaseng workout yung susundan ko. It's really nice to see everything all in one place. So that's basically how I did my Notion page. If you guys are looking for more templates, you can just go here sa sidebar, click on templates. Here you have more than 20,000 templates to choose from. Just click add to my workspace. And there you go, i-duplicate nyo na lang yun. And there you go. So meron din siyang mga widgets. I think mas marami talaga to kasi they have expenses tracker, gym workouts, watch list. So yeah, that's basically my Notion page. I hope you guys find this helpful, especially for first-time users ng Notion. I guess my number one tip, just go over sa templates page and look for a template na sa tingin nyo mag-work for you. Para lang it's less overwhelming on your side since you don't have to figure out how to make widgets or how to add basic blocks. And also my template, guys, feel free to download it or duplicate it. I will leave the link below. Thank you again, Notion, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Shoes, I'm gonna pick this one para match sa top. Okay, now time to fix our bag, or my bag. So, syempre gagamitin natin the non-static. This is the version 1 in cream. Also, I forgot to mention na yung black version pala nito, guys, is na sold out nyo na. Thank you guys so much sa support. But don't worry kasi iba nating totes available pa naman sa website. But yeah, this is what we're using today kasi ang dami natin nalalagay here. Okay, so first of course is my laptop. Also, I'll be bringing itong charger niya since hanggang 9 PM ako today. During my vacant, siguro mag-edit ako. I also have my power bank na ginagamit ko. Last year ko pa ito nabili. This is for my phone. And of course, guys, ball pen. Di tayo papasok ng walang ball pen today. Then I have alcohol na white din. My AirPods. Ta-da! And then last, I have this kit. My ID. Actually, tatanggal ko na yung ID ko. Ba't ko ba nilagay? My wallet here, comb, my GoPro, pang touch-up, my perfume. Everything is in here. As someone who's always on the go, natutunan ko na mas okay pala kapag clear lang or transparent yung mga lalagyanan ko. Kasi nakikita ko agad kung anong kailangan ko and hindi ko na kailangan alam mo yun, lalo na yun nga pag nagmamadali ako. Lumipat ng building. And there you go, guys. This is what's in my bag for junior year. Okay, so I'm done. I'm just gonna do my makeup sa car or sa Grab. Speaking of Grab, magbubook na pala tayo, guys. I'll see you guys in campus. I'm so excited.
So for the skill evaluation form, that's usually 70%.
Good morning, I'm Nicole. Impact for social change, aside from raising awareness, it would also inspire and we could write a better future.
Oh my god.
Smaller bill. 365.
Yep. Ito sasabi.
I need one class representative.
He gives out his cell phone number. So reach out and ask me anything, but also my personal email. But please, if I'm not expecting your email, nonetheless,
어젯밤과 함께 떠나갔던 안개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아. 우리 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아.